Prior to us having Query Manager, most of the reporting that we did was on a kind of case-by-case basis using some quite clunky tools that we had through SAP.
So there was a huge manual overhead in terms of the hundreds of queries that we would have to extract in Excel spreadsheets.
I'm James Claydon. I'm the People Systems Development Manager at Sellafield Ltd.
My name's Shaun Mossop and I work for Sellafield Ltd.
Sellafield's a large nuclear site in West Cumbria.
We are responsible for the UK's safe storage of nuclear waste. We employ 12,000 employees and around 17,500 contractors.
Part of the project to bring in Query Manager was to streamline our reporting activity. We were taking every report individually, starting from a blank page, extracting data, then bringing that data together in Excel and doing pivot tables. Query Manager enabled us to standardise a lot of our reports and put parameters on them.
Using a combination of Query Manager and Power BI, we were able to fully automate the process end to end.
It really enabled us to establish those standardised reports that we didn't have a mechanism for creating prior to that. We've been able to leverage Query Manager to actually build our queries in a way that is conducive to then integrating that data with our other systems, and then that feeds into our data visualisation tool, Power BI, and then it gives us that capability of delivering other benefits for the business outside the SAP space.
Being a data-driven organisation, being data-focused is incredibly important. And we didn't really understand the importance until we started doing a lot more with our data. So it's definitely something that we're looking to improve further in the future as well.